legit. Anything you want.
Hey guys, Mike here from Altcoin Freedom. I hope you're doing good on this Wednesday evening. Well, it's Wednesday evening for me, but I hope you're doing great wherever you are in the world, wherever you're tuning into this video from, guys. Now, you know we're big travel fans. You're looking at a picture of Trabzon, Turkey. This is a place I would love to go. I would love to go check out Turkey. If you're from Turkey watching these videos, let us know what city you're from. Recommend some beautiful places in your country for us to see. And if you've been to Turkey, let us know about your adventures there, what you've seen, what cities you went to, and tell us all about it. I have a lot of friends from Turkey. I hear great things, and it seems like a beautiful, beautiful country to visit. I hope I can get over there with some of my Tron profits in the next couple of years. Now, in the news, guys, there's been a lot of talk about price predictions and things like that for Tron. You see some high unrealistic ones, you see some low conservative ones, you see some in the middle. But one thing I've learned in crypto, guys, really is you can't count anything out, right? I mean, back in the day when I had friends in 2011 telling me about Bitcoin back then, I never would have thought Bitcoin would have hit $20,000, okay? And friends that were piling up hundreds and thousands of Bitcoins way back in the day, you never would have thought they would be worth $20,000 in that last bull run. So you never know. And seeing Bitcoin a little while ago, guys, jumped $7,000 in one day back in, when it was climbing like crazy there at the end of the year. You wouldn't have believed that back in the day. So now these big projects like Tron, we never know where they're going to go, what prices they're capable of hitting. A lot of people try to work out the numbers when you see a price prediction, say, how could that happen? It would have to be $1 trillion. It would have to be a couple $100 billion. But guys, we don't know. Just like we said, 7,000 jumps out of nowhere one day in Bitcoin, $20,000 Bitcoins. Back in the day, no one would have imagined that. So who knows where we could get. It's unpredictable what could happen. But I know Tron is a project that I'm looking at long term. And I'm not going to be too conservative. I'm expecting and I'm hoping for big prices of TRX in the future. And I think I'm going to see that the way Justin Sun and his team are moving forward with this project. I think they're going to totally revolutionize the entertainment industry and have success in everything they're striving for right now that we're seeing they're doing with their partnerships and all, everything they say they're going to do, they've been hitting it. Okay. They've been, saying they're going to do it. They make big predictions and they succeed with them. So it's good times ahead for TRX, I think. Now, one thing I've seen in the market, guys, is recently a lot of $16 predictions of Tron. People say, how could it get to $16? And we don't have to be talking tomorrow. Maybe we could be talking years down the road. But $16, I don't think is unrealistic in the future, guys. I'm hoping for way more than $16 with Tron in the future, right? Again, I'm not talking about tomorrow. I'm talking about the future. It's a long-term hold for me. So I'll be interested to know what would your exit strategy, depending if you guys have big bags of TRX or you don't have a lot, but whatever you might have, where would you be thinking of getting out? Because maybe at $16, you'd already be long gone. I know some of the people I talk to every day have such huge positions in Tron that they would never even need it to get anywhere near $16 before they would be gone. They would have sold out and taken their money and run. So interesting to know, guys. One thing you have to know is have an exit strategy, right? Know at least what you want to do with some of your positions. Sell a little bit, maybe sell all in some of the projects, or just, or hold on for the future, for the long run. But yeah, it's good to have a little bit of an exit strategy so that, even at the end of last year when the bull run happened, if some people were, selling, if they had some exit strategies before the market crashed, they would have been in a lot better position, right? If they got out, some people rode their all-time highs right down, and that's why they're a little negative right now because they bought at the all-time highs and are waiting for it to get back up, but it will get back up. So hang in there. If you were buying at all-time highs, you'll be all right in the future. You'll have new all-time highs, right? And those prices that you were worried about right now won't look so bad. Okay, guys, so let's talk about some of the partnerships Tron's been making that could see it jump. $16 in the future, maybe higher, guys. But I've even heard before the year closes, people have been saying all over the internet, maybe we could see a $16 Tron. Who knows? But recently we know Tron got featured on Changelly. So that's one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, guys. This is a very big partnership, okay? Because Changelly officially is going to endorse TRX and a US dollar trading on their platform. So people can also use their credit cards to buy TRX on Changelly. So that's a very, very big partnership and a very big move by Tron there. And Justin Sutton said, Changelly has made remarkable contributions to the promotion of cryptocurrency globalization. With numerous fans and users around the world, Tron's cooperating with Changelly will enable more people to understand and use TRX. So again, guys, more exposure, more people seeing about TRX. Okay, meanwhile, Tron's large number of users will also give Changelly a boost to the development and popularization of digital assets. That's right, all right? A lot of the TRX Tron users are going to be on Changelly now. So the cryptocurrency is not stopping anytime soon, guys, with their partnerships. We know Tron it said they made more than 8 new mega partnerships recently, okay? And they have 16 partnerships that could see big price spikes before the year's end. Partnerships they made before and partnerships that are coming, okay? And now we know this secret project we're waiting for at the end of the month. It's going to be huge, I think. I think it's going to be a very big one. So we'll wait to see what that is. But there's been a lot of news too that Tron could be partnering with Twitter. Now, some people think that could be the secret project, but we'll see. They're going to reveal at the end of the month, and that's not too long away, and I think we're going to be very excited about it. Now, we also know Tron partnered with the equivalent of China's Netflix, which has more than 200 million users worldwide. So in regard to that partnership, Justin Sun was saying that Tron is proud to announce the partnership with Bufang Group, and Bufang, aka the Chinese Netflix, boasts more than 200 million users as a video portal giant and has achieved 8 billion CNY listing in Shenzhen Stock Exchange. So we also know Tron partnered with an app called Gifto, and that's a live streaming app. So Tron's becoming a global cryptocurrency to invest in. Okay, a lot of people want to partner up with Tron right now, and that can be attributed to the immense effort that this team and Justin Sun is putting into everything they're doing today. And let's not forget the recent acquisition of BitTorrent by Tron, okay? So that's going to help a lot of value increase with the token, okay? The token's going to see a big increase with this BitTorrent acquisition because, you know, BitTorrent has more than 100 million active users. So we know now the cryptocurrency has direct access to 100 million more users. So in the end, guys, that means more liquidity for TRX. So it's important to know, guys, just since Tron has released a mainnet only about 3 months ago, they've accomplished, Justin Sun, he's speaking and saying that his team has accomplished more with this mainnet than Ethereum has accomplished in the last 3 years. So the Tron team and Justin Sun are moving fast, and they're moving forward very fast, and they're getting things done, and it shows a lot of trust we can have in the team. When they say they're going to do something, they get it done, and we can see they're going to bring a lot of value to the project. So there's also been a lot of speculation, guys, that they're going to partner with Alibaba. People have said it, that multi-billion-dollar company owned by Jack Ma. That would be huge. Now we know Sun, as much as people don't want to admit it or they think this would never happen, we have to know that Sun was one of the best students in Mr. Ma's university, Hupon University. Sun was the first millennial student to graduate from the university. And there's also another figure, Mr. Chen, and he's a close friend of Mr. Ma, and Mr. Chen is one of the main people in the Tron team. So let's not disregard that relationship too, right? Mr. Chen, Jack Ma. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a partnership with this multi-billion-dollar company very soon, right? Alibaba, with all the connections there with Jack Ma, Mr. Shen, Justin Sun. So I think, guys, it's a good time. For me personally, I don't know what you're going to do, but I'm going to hold on to my Tron for the next little while. I know some people have been selling and, you know, getting out of their positions right now, but I'm personally going to be getting a bigger position in TRX, right? When it's possible for me to do that, I'm going to do that in the near future, hopefully sooner than later. I'd like to know what you guys are doing as a community. Are you guys picking up bigger positions in Tron, or are you just holding steady with what you have? But also, too, this exit strategy stuff me and my friends have been talking about today, something important, because, you know, these predictions of $16 Trons and further, you know, would I be out at $16 or would I be holding for a lot more than $16? I see Tron going past, again, I'm a long-term holder, right? So $16 would not be an end goal for me. I'm seeing Tron well past $16 in the future. So I'd be interested to know, you know, what would be a number where you guys would be happy and say, oh, that's pretty good. I was pretty successful with my TRX investment, and maybe you're going to take your money and run. But I think no matter what we're looking at, guys, we all have different goals and different things that we're trying to do, but it's a bright future for all of us in Tron. I think right now I'm very excited about it. As much FUD as that's out there, haters about Tron, there's a the biggest community that's supporting it. So that's interesting to see how much support, how many believers there are in Tron and what's happening in the industry and what they're doing in the cryptocurrency space. So let's see what happens in the next little while, guys. Interesting stuff coming up at the end of the month, right, with the secret project and some of the other stuff. And we always have Alibaba lingering over us there. So I think that will happen someday. I know some of you guys don't think it will happen. Some of you do, but I personally think there will be something with Alibaba in the future. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. If you've been watching our videos all along, that's it for this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. You can sign off. But if you're new to our channel and you're new to cryptocurrency in general and you haven't secured your crypto investments yet, I have a little safety tip we offer on our channels to anyone new to crypto to help you secure your investments for you and your family. The most important thing you can do right now, if you haven't done it, guys, and this will help you first, and then help the whole crypto space in general. You'll be a big solution to that as well. Let's one person at a time. So in all these videos, one person at a time. I hope we always reach one person, at least one person. Get yourself an offline hardware wallet and secure your crypto, okay? Because you don't want to be another person who lost their crypto to all those hacks, the billions of dollars we've lost, the billions and billions. It's gonna be crazier in the future, guys, as crypto gets even more popular, right? There's gonna be more hacks, more things going on, more people looking and searching for people's crypto. So just be smart, get that hardware wallet. It's such an unbelievably good investment and a small price to pay. If you're investing hundreds or thousands of dollars, you can secure it for the future, because these prices of these projects today, guys, in a couple of years, you're not going to want to have lost those coins, okay, and not been able to capitalize on all that wealth you've built up over the years. I have some friends, like we said in other videos, who back in the day when it wasn't so easy to secure your crypto have lost crypto, okay, and when they see the prices of those coins today, it's just gut-wrenching. So don't be another victim. And that's why this message is important, guys. And if you have family or friends that are new to crypto, or anyone at work you're telling about crypto, or you have some new crypto family enthusiasts there that are trying to get on the bandwagon with you about crypto and they're interested, try to educate them too about right off the bat. I always like to do that too. Is I've actually, some of my friends and family, you know, I've given the hardware wallets to them if I've ever helped them get into crypto, just so they start off very safe right off the bat. And I personally, I like to use 2 hardware wallets. So some of you have been mentioning that you use 2 or 3 as well. Like, you know, I have one for long term. I'll hold my coins in crypto I'm not going to touch for a while. It's safe, put away in a safe place. Nothing will ever happen to that. And I keep a hardware wallet with me because I like to use that every day to make some, you know, trades and different things I want to do with that. So you guys can do that too. But just make sure your family or friends and you particularly are safe with your crypto, guys, and educate everybody you can, because that'll help us when the whole crypto space is safer. There's less stories about people losing crypto. The outside people will feel more safer, right, investing in crypto, and the market cap will go up for all of us, and our prices will go up in our projects, so it's a win-win. But just don't wait till it's too late, guys, because a lot of people, you know, I have friends too that think, oh, someday I'll get on that, but you know, you never know what day you're going to check out your exchange or your online wallets there on your computer and see nothing in them. So don't wait until it's too late. Protect them, and you have to get them. A lot of people don't know, guys. You have to get your hardware wallets from the manufacturer. Don't be another one of those victims. And you hear the horror stories of people trying to get them on eBay or other websites where they've been tampered with, and you lose your crypto as soon as you use your offline hardware wallet. So only get them from the manufacturer. And if you don't know where, to make it really easy, we put a link in the description below, so you can just go check it out anyway, see what it's all about, and grab one of those hardware wallets for yourself and protect your crypto. It's definitely, in this bearish market now, and just in general in any market, is probably the best investment you can make, because none of these prices matter in the future if you lose your crypto. Okay, so just get it safe for yourself so you can sleep good at night. All right, guys, if you could, give the video a like. I always appreciate that. You guys are helping us out a lot with our videos. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't, so you don't miss any of our videos as they come out. You might find out in the next couple of days some projects we're talking about that you're interested in too, or you might learn about one you want to check out. And also, it's a great way, if you're subscribed, you can contact us and get in touch with any questions, and we can stay in touch really easy that way. So that's a great thing too, guys. And I hope you have a great day, the rest of the day, wherever you are around the world, and let me know where you are too, because hopefully maybe I could send some messages out to some of you guys who are subscribed when we hit the road, and we can meet up for some coffee or lunch sometime and talk crypto in your city. Okay, guys, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.